So those two little cubs, they've got their ears pinned back. Good afternoon to all the viewers and subscribers out there. Just got an update from one of our chefs working at Manor House. There were lions walking in front of the lodge. We've come across to Manor House, but there's a big herd of elephants around. They might have chased the lions off. Keep having a look, see if we can pick them up. Ellie's having a nice mud bath. So we did a little bit of extra looking around. We managed to pick up on a couple of the Mbiri pride. There's Ndevu, one of the females, and just behind the pan is a female with her cubs. Managed to find a gap to get in, and as we were coming in, one of the sub-adults got up with what looked like a leg bone. Couldn't see of what, but it looked like something, maybe a Ncila or an impala. Two of the cubs having a little bit of a go at each other over the scraps of kill that they made. The little guy managed to wrestle a little bit away from his mom. Those two little cubs, they've got their ears pinned back. So you know the lions are unhappy is when you see those ears flat. Most cats, that's what happens. They're having a real good scrap over that little piece of meat. Neither of them wants to let go and let the other one have it. Edward's heard all the commotion. Come back out to see what's happening. No sign of Mbiri, no sign of Ncila at the moment. The little guy's managed to get himself a Nice little bone to chew on. Good to see how well this little one's doing. Looks in good condition. Ncila's just walked out of the bush. It's obviously who Mbiri was busy fighting with. As he starts getting close, I'm sure we're going to hear the rest of the pride growling. Still keeping his distance from the pride. And as we heard when Ncila went into the bush, he's definitely fighting with Ncila. So still not accepting him back into the pride. Good to see that he's still doing well. Every time he looks to the right hand side, you can hear the female with the cub growling at him. She's not happy at all that he's around. Alright, well that brings us to the end of another great virtual safari. Cool to get a nice update on those Mbiris. Little ones doing well, females doing well, and males doing well. Mbiri looking in good condition. Devu really becoming such a powerhouse, which is nice to see. And Ncila looks like he's slowly but surely creeping into the pride. I'm sure give it another month and those females should allow him in and the males should allow him in. It'll be interesting to see when he does come back. Will he be the most dominant? I don't think so. I think Mbiri was at this stage, he's looking really strong, but I'm pretty sure Ncila will come in and be a little bit more dominant than Mbiri. It's my personal feeling and opinion, but it'll be interesting to see. I suppose we'll just have to wait and see if he does become part of the pride, and we'll see what happens. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one.